Be cute, but you do not want them to just catching on the client's hair and the clothes. Make sure 60-second here. After that, we're gonna go in, and this little ends needle part, it won't go in between the crystal right here, and then it conceals really cute with the metal frame to not only to prevent from catching on the hair and the clothes, it's also prevent from getting really, you know, tarnish after you're washing your hand. A lot of hand sanitize, a lot of hands washing, so you want to make sure your client's nails is staying nice and sparkle for next 4 weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and check around the edges. You only seals it in around the crystals and around the edges of the crystals. Do not do it right on the top of it, because it's gonna taking away from your sparkle and the cut and the shine. So then each time you feel right here scratchy right here between the crystal, you only squeeze just that much. Little go a long way, so you don't need a lot to get to seal the crystal, because you don't want to flood your crystals. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal, make sure to seal completely the beads and then around the crystal. If you feel like after you key it for one time, you feel still scratchy, the clients feel like it's still catching their nails and their hair, you can go ahead and seal it again. Repeat that step. Make sure that if you need more than 1 or 2 times between each step, you want to make sure that you are flash key it, so then that way the precision glue gel got enough time to key it first before you do another layer, because you don't want them to just over flood it everywhere. So we're gonna key this one for 60 seconds. And moving on this, I like that a lot. It looks so cute. It's so different. And it's great for anyone who love crystals, and this is gonna definitely satisfy you with like so much crystal, and then it's gonna stay, like it's not going anywhere. So I'm checking between these two crystal, and you feel scratchy, you're gonna just need just that much. Little go a long way. Again, you don't want to need to flood it completely. Them right here scratchy right in the cuticle area, because you don't want it to catching on the client's hair or their scarf or their sweaters. This is especially sweater season, so we're gonna go in between the crystal. You see that I'm just avoiding to getting anything on the top of the crystal. You are going to right here on the edges, every edges and a gap right there, but not on the top of the crystal, and go ahead and seals all over the metals, that the snow part, snowflakes part, and then the pearl right here. Okay, so we are go ahead and key this for 60 seconds. Again, this one right here in this edges, to make sure they are staying nice. I love this. Cool. All right, hold on. I'm gonna show a picture for the camera quick.